Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Redux Toolkit. Now we are going to learn about the introduction of the what is React Redux Toolkit, why there is a need, why we not you are using the Redux. Okay, so let's see what exactly it is. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Redux Toolkit is opinionated official package from the Redux team that is designed to simply and streamline the process of managing the state. So main thing is managing the state in the Redux based application. It aims to solve several common challenges and complexity associated with the Redux and provides a set of best practices and utilities to improve the development experience. Redux is popular state management library for the JavaScript applications, especially when working with the React. However, using the Redux often involves writing a significant amount of boilerplate code for actions, reducers, and the store setup, right? So Redux tool helps to reduce this boilerplate and offers the following key features. Okay, so what are the key features of that one? Simplified store configuration. Redux Toolkit provides the configure store function, which simplifies the setup of your Redux store. You don't need to write much configurations code for the middleware enhancer or the dev tools, right? Reducers with the immer. Redux Toolkit uses the immer library, which allows you to write reducers in a more intuitive way, mutable style while under the hood. It ensures immutability. This makes writing reduces reducers less error prone and easier to understand. Automated action types. You don't have to create manually define the action types. Redux Toolkit generates the action types based on the names of your action creators. Slices for the reducers. So Redux Toolkit encourages the use of slices, which are small self-contained pieces of your state and reducer logic. Each slice combines the reducer function and the action creators for the specific part of this application state. So basically this is theoretical. So you come when I go and with the code level, then you come to know about that the what are the slices. So is the this part is the same thing that I am understanding. The Redux toolkit encourages the use of the slices, which are the small self-contained pieces of your state and reduces logic. Each slice combines the reducer function and the action creators for the specific part of the application state. Okay, then we have a thunks and the async logic. It provides built-in support for the asynchronous actions and the side effects using the thunks through the create async thunk action function. DevTools integration. Redux toolkits work seamlessly with the Redux DevTools extensions, making it easier to inspect, debug your application state and the actions. Okay, officially and maintain. So Redux toolkit works an official package from the creators of the Redux Toolkit is well maintained and updated in line with the best practices. Using the Redux Toolkit, developers can write cleaner, more maintainable, less error-prone Redux code while also benefiting for improved developer tooling. It's particularly helpful for the developers who are new to Redux or for the teams looking for the simplify their Redux code base and make it more efficient. Okay, so in summary, Redux Toolkit is valuable tool for managing the state in predictable and maintainable way, and it's gained widespread adoption in the React and the Redux community as recommended by the way of the use of the Redux. So this is the Redux. Next one that we are going to learn what exactly. I will show you the three core concepts of the Redux toolkit in the next video. That is the slice that we have already, that is slices. Then we have the reduce and the configure store. Okay, so we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.